Well, hey y'all, how's everybody doing? I hope everybody's doing well. Alright guys, so it is finally here. We finally have some spoilers for the standard January Ipsy GlamBag. So if you're excited for this video, y'all go ahead and give me a thumbs up and also hit the subscribe button and the bell. That way you're notified of every video I upload. You don't want to miss no spoilers. And before we get started, if you're new here, hi, I'm Mandy. I do a lot of makeup related videos. Now sometimes I'll go off track and do something else I'm interested in, but I promise not to disappoint you all the time. Now let's read the first comment from my last video, which was the January BoxyCharm Premium Spoilers. Some more of them was found, y'all, so if you want to see them, go check them out. So congratulations, Betty Boop Wolf. Betty says, "Can it be? Am I first? I love you, Betty, and you're my favorite subscriber. LOL," which means laugh out loud. Made you say it. Well, Betty, you wouldn't have had to make me say that, honey, because you are one of my favorites. You're always there in the comments, and I really appreciate your support, honey. It just warms my heart up, and I love you so much, girl. Thank you. And if you yourself would like to get a shout out, be sure to leave a comment under this here video. You're going to have 1 out of 2 chances of getting it. You could either set your bell and try to be first at it, or you could be one of the comments I pick. You never know. I might pick you. Now stay tuned till the end when I read the comment that I did pick. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and jump into this madness finally. Again, now you know they usually put out spoilers around the 2nd and the 3rd. We didn't get none this month, so it really did surprise me on how long they waited to put on spoilers, but we finally got some, y'all. So again, this is for the January standard Ipsy GlamBag. So first of all, you know all the bags, they're that marbled color with the rose zippers and rose handles. I think it's absolutely, I love these bags. They're absolutely gorgeous. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and get out these spoilers. So the first one is the Glow Recipe Blueberry Bounce Gentle Cleanser. The next thing is the Nomad Cosmetics and the, oh gosh, y'all, I'm going to butcher this. Is it Marrakesh Medina? I don't even know. I ain't even going to try to attempt it again. Intense Eyeshadow in the shade Desert Sands. And then we have the Ofra and Nikki Tutorials Glow Goals Highlighter in the shade Glow Goals. And then next is the Too Faced Hangover Replenishing Face Primer. Ooh, I've always wanted to try that one. And then next, and this is another thing I've always wanted to try. I don't know why I ain't got it. I think it's only $9. But the Morphe Fluidity Full Coverage Concealer. Now, they're going to have it in different shades, y'all. So here's the shades that they're going to have. They're going to have shade 1.25, shade 1.55, shade 2.25, shade 3.35, and then shade 4.35, and then last but certainly not least, shade 5.45. And then next up is another spoiler, y'all. It is the Luxie 560 Medium Fan Flawless Brush. Wow, what a mouthful. Of course, as soon as they start revealing any more spoilers, I'll keep you guys updated. Now, I'm trying to keep up with these spoilers so I can get them out to you as fast as I can. So I'm watching out for Plus and Ultimate. So make sure your bell's on. That way you know whenever I do get them up. And as always, Ipsy's linked below if you want to go check them out. Now, guys, let's read that comment that I picked in my last video. Well, congrats. Is it Teslonda A? I'm pretty sure I butchered that, honey. I'm so sorry. I can't pronounce anything. Don't come after me, though. I'm real weak. You wouldn't have no fun. Anyway, she says, "I want both palettes, Mandy, because they're both beautiful." They are. They are absolutely gorgeous, ain't they, girl? Oh, I'm with you on that one. Honey, I really appreciate the support. Thank you so much for coming and just watching and commenting on my videos. I can't tell you how much I appreciate it, honey. I'm so grateful for y'all, and I love you, girl. Thank you. And remember, guys, you got to leave that comment if you want a shout out. And guys, please make sure you're still subscribed to my channel. YouTube is taking my subscribers, likes, comments. They're taking it all. They're trying to ruin my life is what they're trying to do. But if you would double check that, make sure you're still subscribed. And if you're not, why the hell not? I mean, it's 100% free, and it's a gift from me to you. And it's rude not to accept a gift, so you got to take it. So go on down there and hit that button. And then I'm going to need you to rate the video, but you're only going to have one option. You can only hit the thumbs up button because my thumbs down button quit working a long time ago and YouTube won't fix it. It really just shows engagement, but it also shows me what videos you guys are liking, what I need to do more of. And then there's one more tiny thing before you guys head out. Damn YouTube. If you would, make sure your notification bell set on. That way you don't miss another spoiler. You won't miss another upload. I also do a lot of other videos other than these spoilers. So if you ever want to put a face to the voice, go check them out, y'all. And that's it. That's all I got for you. And I love y'all so, so much. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.